In our market research, we found that Muvi offered a layer of security on the lectures of the review center. This is also essential to protect the content created mostly by its lecturers and speakers. Likewise, it provided everything that we need at the outset, from the creation of the website to having a content management system or CMS. The user interface of the content management system also suits the need of an educational institution, as you can conveniently create and monitor student accounts and activities. Definitely, we would want to continue the partnership with Muvi. With the trend amongst educational institutions already towards digitalization, we would not miss maximizing the services of Muvi in the coming years. So cheers to the whole Muvi team, and we are really grateful for all the services